It's Spartacat here with another tutorial video. Today we are going to be building the M7 Priest. So this thing's bottom half of the hole right here is Garrett 2x4s. I don't think he has his old Sherman design video up, but I'm just saying, don't copyright me for cleaning this part again. So what you're going to need for the first layer, you're going to need another brick slab, a button, and some nether brick, and a dark oak gate fence. If you don't have that, just use a regular oak wood fence, and then that's all you need. So, and let's go over to our spots. So from right around here, we're going to place a block there. To have our first block, then have a slab there, and put 7 blocks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know a Sherman has 6 road wheels, but that's his design. It's his fault, so don't blame me. So, Garrett 2x4's fault. So then put buttons across here. Then what you want to do is put 3 across from stone slabs and go all the way up to here, and put 3 across, fill it in, and then go ahead with your nether brick and put them across, and put your nether brick slabs and on the other slabs, and put your buttons on right there, and then put your oak or dark oak fence right here, and then put them right there. There. Okay, now that you're done, you can pause the video, and I'll see you on the next layer. Okay, let's go on to the next layer. For this layer, you're not going to need this. You're not going to need this. But you're going to need this, and this. And I think that too. Let's rock around, block around. And let me see on the inside what I'm gonna need. Okay. Yes, no. That and that. Actually, no, I don't need this. I don't need that. I need that. Okay. So wait. Okay. So from right here, you want to place another brick slab for the road wheel, and another nether brick slab, 2 for the idler wheel. And then we're going to take your stone brick stairs and place them like that, and then alternate from a dark oak fence or an oak fence if you don't have a dark oak, from a stone brick stair, then a fence gate, whichever color you want it to be, and just keep alternating until you reach the slab. So I'm just gonna do that. And now let's do this on the other side. Do that. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, now we'll fill it in with our dark oak fence. If you have it, just use an oak fence. If you don't have dark oak fence, just use an oak fence. But okay, now I want to put our green block of choice. I am using concrete because I like concrete, and it's concrete. So let's put 3 across the back and 3 across the front, and then put tripwire hooks for the, I don't know, like chain holder things. Okay, and then from right here, we want to break that and put an iron trap door, and I think you put like a lever like right there. Let me check on my reference model. Yeah. So let's see. So how many? So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. So right over here, we want to go 3 across again. Then we had 3 snow layers, 1, 2, 3. Then put a lever there, and I think a stone slab there. Let's do the rest. So, okay. So let's put to there, like stone stair there, I think. Yes, and then put 2 green concretes right there. And let's see. That's about it. Oh yeah, string. Some string. Where's the string? String. Okay, there's string. Then put 1 string right there. And yeah, and also put some that like that. Okay, once you're done with this layer, you can go pause the video if you're still not done. So this is what it looks like from above. So okay, now for the once you're done. Okay, are you done? Okay, good. Now on to the next layer. Now you're not going to need a tripwire hook, snow, or this. I don't think you're gonna need a lever. What you are gonna need is a sign. Actually, yeah, you are gonna need this right here. And I think, is it cobblestone wall? You need that. And yeah, I think that, oh yeah, a pumpkin too. So it's gonna give me a pumpkin. Pumpkin. My kin is very pump. Just kidding, they're not. Oh yeah, right. Last layer, I forgot this. Okay, now this layer, what you're gonna wanna do is take a pumpkin and put it there. Break that, put a block there, and then put a pumpkin, and then break that again, and then put a trapdoor like there. Okay, now you're gonna take a chest too. Where's the chest? Okay, there's the chest. Okay. So, what you're gonna want to do is put through 2 right there, and then put, is that a slab? Let me get the slab. There. Then put a stone brick slab right here, and then put a stone brick stair, and then a stone slab. Let me get that right there, and put 1 right there. And also take some carpet, green carpet, or any color of your choice carpet. If you want to make it pink, you can do that. You can make it pink if you want. Okay, ow. My leg is hurting. Okay. Sheep, what are you trying to do? Okay. Once you're done with that, I want to go all the way, drag your green block of choice all the way back to here, and then do it on the other side. And then put a sign right here. This is for the periscope. And put some, put green concrete or your green block right there, and then put some stone brick stairs right there. And yeah, and now let's build up on the inside and put a mossy cobblestone stair there. And let me see. Here we're gonna need put a green concrete here, put a chest, and then in the middle I'm gonna put a trap chest. So these are chests for like the ammunition. This is where the ammunition would be stored, right here. So let's just fill this up right here. Okay, I think that's all we're doing for this layer. Yeah, I think this is what we've done for the layer. So this layer has been finished. You can pause the video if you haven't finished everything yet. So once you've unpaused the video, we are gonna start on the next layer. So first we're gonna start on the back and put a encase this area, like go 2, then 3, then 2 for the green carpet, and then take some iron trapdoors for the grill of the tank, of the artillery, I should say. And then we're going to want to put a green carpet here, so you can look through the periscope. Boop. Yeah, I'm going to have to move this over where the bishop is. And this is a British artillery. Right here. I might do that next. Okay. Yeah. So, weather. Okay. We're going to put some phone. Okay. Finally, we can get on with the build. So, I'm going to place a stone brick stair facing this way. Or the stairs is, you can walk up this second. And wrap it around this entire area. Shift click on the chests. And then wrap it around here. Now this is a tricky part. So how to do this? So this is going to be facing that way. Okay. Okay. Then we'll make this one face this way. Oop. Okay. Make that one face this way. This one faces that way. And this one faces this way. So this is going to be a 50 cal. Right here, there was a 50 caliber machine gun. This thing, 50 cal. But you can't really sit in it if there's a giant 50 cal. Do this thing. You can't really sit in the thingy right there if there's a 50 cal on it. So once you've done that, you're gonna take a stone, and place it right on the mossy. Actually, no, I'm gonna place it right there. And take some mossy cobblestone wall and drag it 2 above the front. So from here, gonna go 1, 2. And then back here, I want to place another string. Actually, no, I want to put the string right there. And then put an anvil. Let me just get that. I just like the anvil because it looks cool. And right here, you're going to put a lever. Yeah. So, now for the banner, for the American star, so what you want to start is get a green banner, and then take a daisy and some white dye. Let's get 64. Let's get our crafting table. Where is it? And no, there. Let's go place it down. Let's go put our green banner. Put our oxy daisy right here, and put a green. Put a white dye right there, and then put a white dye in the center, and then we get our green banner. So now we're gonna go place our things on the side, so we can signify American SC. We can signify it being America, because America is awesome. Let's just put it there. Okay. So now we got our American star. Is this one? No? Okay, there. And you're basically done with the build. You can put stuff in the chest. And yeah. So, this has been Spartacat. And I'll see you next time for the bishop. Okay, bye.